In primetime news this evening, community spread. Confirmation comes that up to 1 million people could get COVID-19. Tightening. More restrictions coming as government tries to limit the spread of COVID-19. And fresh concerns. Worries about a spike in COVID-19 cases due to election day breaches.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your thoughts on the outcome of the general election?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.